What is going on, guys? We've got major crypto news today. We've got trade talk confirmations. We've got CPI. And you know what? We've got a rally going on, people. That is right. So stick around to the end of the video. You will not want to miss this.
All I hear, go get the money. So I go get it. Hate means I do something right. So I'ma let him. Yeah.
Be sure to smash that like button. And if you like money, you're going to want to hit that subscribe as well. No, if you love money, then you will want to hit that subscribe because we love money around here. So join the community. Trade talks with China. The talk of the town. They have finally been ironed out. Everything is set in stone and just ready to be finalized. Thank you, Scott Bessent, the overseer of all those negotiations. We appreciate it. We've been counting on you. I am a little sad because I was capitalizing on that volatility, and those easy, simple strategic gains are now going to disappear. But you know what? The country will boom. Both countries will boom. Not necessarily for China booming because I fear communism, and I don't want to be overthrown or have devious schemes behind our back on the power grid and all sorts of crazy shit from them. But you know what? At least they'll be booming and happier, and we will benefit as well. Thank you, Bessent. Thank you, trade team. Goodbye, volatility. You know what? But that just means an even smoother sail to the top of the ungodly levels of earth-shaking candles that will bring us all monetary value and wealth beyond our wildest dreams. So you know what? It's okay. We can think long-term because long-term thinking, especially in investing, is just going to benefit us even more. So I'm all right with it. They evened out the final tariff percentages, the final rare earth minerals and chip negotiations, the finalizing on Chinese people being able to go to college in America. And you know what? It's all sounding beneficial. We're all going to be able to work with it. And things will get higher. The God candle we saw this morning, the massive jump, was beautiful. It's a nice thing to wake up in the morning and just see that girthy Hulk schlong of a God candle just shooting through the roof. And wow, it is incredible to wake up that way. But we also had CPI, and CPI basically said that inflation is gone, just disappeared. It was lower than expected and basically down to zero. It was insanely low. Now, of course, we've got talks of printing more money, which does not help inflation, but it might help some flow into riskier assets like cryptocurrencies, especially those major market caps, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Oh, did I say Ethereum? Yeah, I've been saying Ethereum. What have I been saying? It's gonna be going up and up and up and up and up. If you're new to leverage trading, I'm not telling you what to do. Do your own research. But in my opinion, Ethereum is just a risk-adverse, easier way to start practicing leverage trading because the downsides right now are not as much as everything else. It's been performing much better than Bitcoin. It's been performing better than even a bunch of smaller market cap, decent utility tokens. It's absolutely insanely incredible right now. Now, you'll want to pay attention to PPI this week as well, and we've got an upcoming Fed meeting. So there is a possibility of a rate cut, but it is not on the agenda. But rumors travel around, and I've been hearing rumors of a massive rate cut, but who knows? If they don't talk about it, whatever. There's always another day, and now they're just going to keep on printing money. Now, there is a little bit of dovish noise in regards to Powell possibly stepping down. Nobody knows how this is going to happen. Nobody knows if it's true. But again, rumors fly around. And rumors are sentiment. And sentiment drives markets. So you know what? Even a false rumor can create a false flag. And you know what? If it's a false bull flag and we still get the benefits of a bull flag, I'm cool with it. So, all right. I'm ready to make more money. We finally had a very exciting week in crypto. We saw the Bitcoin conference dip. We were all here on this channel able to capitalize. So again, subscribe if you aren't. You're not going to want to miss things. And now we're just up and booming. So thank you, Lord, for volatility. And now we are looking forward to a potential rally to maybe a slight alt season. I don't think we are preparing for a full blow alt season right now or a full crazy rally, right? I think we're going to have a test rally. As I said before, I think Ethereum's going to really be a driving factor in just leading things upward. It is going to, I mean, I said yesterday, if it closes above 2720, which it did, then we're on the road to 29 very quickly, or 2900 very quickly, then breaking 3000 for sure, and possibly 3.2. I think even 3.5 is possible through July. I think it will happen. But it's going to be like a test rally. We're not going to see, people will think that it's going to be a massive, just bull run, crazy go. We'll get signs of it. Things are going to start to jump and go, and it's going to be a little test. People are going to sell off. We'll have a little bit of a couple bear months, just moving sideways, a few tanks, and then when fall really comes around, late fall, that is when the full blow go will be. I'm calling it right now. That's what I foresee. Pay attention to all these macroeconomic factors, inflation, any new trade news. We'll get full legislation on cryptocurrency in August, hopefully. So right around that time, we will see the end of that test rally. We'll have the dive down. We'll have the reconsolidation period, and then it will be preparation for just going apeshit, going nuts. I'm already going nuts over here. I don't know if you can tell. I am excited to make more money because, like I said, I love money. And if you do too, like the video, subscribe. I will see you all tomorrow.